And with our finger, we'll hold the lever arm up slightly, and we'll cut right in the corner, right through the wire. Now we can remove the rest of the lever arm, but we want to save this piece for later on. We're going to drill 4 holes in our mousetrap now. We'll drill 1 in each corner of the mousetrap, and we'll use these holes to attach it to the vehicle chassis. We'll use a slightly smaller drill bit, but one that is large enough for our machine screws to go through. And again, we'll drill where we have a space below the mousetrap for our drill to come through and not go into our tabletop. There's 2 of our holes, and we'll turn the mousetrap around and drill the other 2 holes. As you can see, we now have 4 holes drilled in the mousetrap vehicle, which will allow us to attach it to the chassis once it's dried. We're ready for the 3rd step of the process, and we're going to be working with the rubber washers and axles. The axles that we'll be using will be a 3/16 inch brass tube. The rubber washers need to slide over them, and sometimes these rubber washers are a little bit too small. If that's the case, use a 3/16 inch drill bit to ream them out. To ream out the rubber washer, we'll simply place it over the drill bit and press, being careful not to run the drill bit into our hands. And we'll pull it off and run it once again, twisting the washer around to make sure that it's all reamed out on the inside. Once we've reamed out the washer, then we're able to slide the brass tube down into the washer. We'll place the washer on a solid surface, place the brass tube in the middle of it, and press down firmly to insert the tube into the washer. We've repeated the reaming process for all 8 washers, and we'll make sure that the brass tubing fits into each one. We'll need to cut the 3/16 inch brass tube in half